Hello guys and welcome back to another video on how to grow. Today we're going to be teaching you how to log in to Amazon. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your preferred browser. Go ahead and tap on Google Chrome for example and tap on the search box on the Google Chrome. On this search box, you're going to type www.amazon.com. On doing so, you'll be redirected to the landing page on Amazon, and if you go to the top right corner of this interface beside the shopping cart icon, you should be able to see the sign in button. Go ahead and tap on it. This will redirect you to the sign in page of Amazon. Go ahead and enter your email or your phone number with which you've registered your Amazon account. Once you've done that, tap on continue and you'll be required to enter your password. On doing so, tap on continue again and you will be logged into your Amazon account on this website. If you're new to Amazon, there's an option for creating an account as well. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be able to create a new account for Amazon. And this is how you can log into your Amazon account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.